How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. To find and see removed Snapchat friends, you can download the data from Snapchat. So, what you may do is open up your Snapchat, and once you access it, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open it up. After you open it up, you can tap on the gear icon, the settings in the top right corner, tap on it. And from here, you may just scroll down and go over and find the option called My Data, which is on the second last option at the very last. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once you do so, you may go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account if prompted, or you can just go ahead and select the date range for the period that you want to review and ensure the format is set to HTML. So once you confirm it, you may just go ahead and look out for the option like you export your memory, chat media, or chat history, user information, etc. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and tap on next. And after you do so, you can select up the date range. And once confirmed, you can just go ahead and download the provided data file from the email. Once submitted the request, and you can open a zip folder and open up the friends.html file to see your entire friend list. And that is it. Apart from that, if you remember the username, you can try searching for your friend's username in the app itself, and you can add them as friends again if you prefer, or you can just go ahead and tap on the add friends option here and look out for the suggestions. If the person's name is listed, you can add them directly from there. So that is only the way possible if you'd like to add friends, like find your deleted friends on Snapchat. So give it a thumbs up for this video, subscribe for more tips and tutorials.